This sailing adventure was not what I expected. It was a hell of a lot better. I was afraid of sleepless nights, constant rain, cold creeping in, and awful food. Thankfully, none of that happened, and this week of sailing exceeded all my expectations.
Don't just listen to these songs and think that you got grease. They just lyrics. I'll be venting to this mic, it's therapy. You could leave, but the mother guys is whack, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music.
That first day, we woke up before dawn, readying ourselves for all hands on deck, scraping together what little we remembered from the introduction to the sails the day before, anxious to lift the anchor and be off. We left the harbor with first light, and the contrast from working a full season of beer tents to seeing the sunrise, about to spend a whole day outside, was dizzying, yet amazing. It took a couple of days getting into a groove with all the ropes and mounts and sails, but we were beyond proud of being able to put up the head sail and naming the different ropes and rolls. Being picked up by the wind for the first time was exhilarating, the wooden sailboat groaning and seemingly having a life on its own. Our small group of students were leaving the bay, and I'm sure we all felt free and wild. Even though we were mere meters off the shore, novelty does that to you sometimes. Taking shifts and enjoying our meals together, which were incredible by the way, we sailed through the day, enjoying the sun on our faces and the wind in our hair. We were going to drop anchor in another bay shortly before golden hour, all of us proud and feeling accomplished for our first day of sailing ever. Once the boat stood still, we took our chances at climbing the mast, feeling frightened and excited and anxious about climbing up a 15-meter secured only by a vest that looked like a toy. It was definitely worth the excitement though, because looking down onto the boat, golden in the setting sun to the horizon, seemingly endless in that moment, we felt amazing, sure to be locking this memory into the folds of our brain to keep it there forever. After dinner, the stars came out, and we, as city dwellers mostly, were astonished by the multitude of stars blinking in the sky. We sat there trading favorite memories of the first day, trying to recall constellations and sending out wishes for the shooting stars we spotted. Sitting there, content, with my friends after such a successful first day, all our anxieties and worries about the trip unfulfilled, we were sure to be spending a great week on board.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Play on my melody.